Hello students, this is Akshita, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. For upcoming CTET December 2023 examination, Global Online application has come up with a complete course where we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of CTET examination. In today's lecture from the mathematics topic, the topic that we are going to discuss is mensuration. Already one part of mensuration has been already uploaded. Please do watch it to clear all the concepts. In this series, we'll be discussing the concepts along with lots of practice of MCQs. This is the section number 16. Please do watch the previous sessions as well. If you're targeting for CTET December 2023 examination, then there is a news for you guys. For the paper 1 and paper 2, Global Online application has come up with a complete course where we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of the CTET examination in detail. Here you'll be provided with the following features: full syllabus video lectures. Through this video lectures, you can clear all your concepts. Along with the students, lots of tips and tricks will be shared to you by the respective educators. Okay, so full syllabus notes will be provided in the form of PDF. It is easily downloaded through your mobile phone as well. 50 plus mock test. Through this mock test, you can test your preparation, and along with this, students, the question asked in the mock test can be directly replicated in the examination as well. Hence, this is an important feature, as well as full syllabus MCQ PDF. This is the PDF designed in such a way most important, highly expected MCQs are compiled over here. So this is again easily downloaded through your mobile phone. The fees for the all above features for the paper 1 plus paper 2 is 3,000 rupees, or if you want to target an individual paper, that is paper 1 or paper 2, then the course fees for the individual paper is 2,000 each. Okay, so you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number for further more details and for the enrollment of course, or download the Global Online application. So this was the question number 5, which in yesterday's class I have given you as a homework. Okay, an ant is moving around a few food pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which food piece would the ant have to take a longer round? Remember, the circumference of circle can be obtained by using the expression c is equal to 2 pi r. Please note down this formula. To obtain the circumference of the circle, the formula is 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. So based upon this formula, you can use over here for the semicircle. Okay, so starting up with the question number A. Again, these types of questions are actually given here to clear the concepts, and they can be directly asked in the examination with options. Okay, so here now radius. We know radius is equal to diameter by 2, and we know the diameter given here is 2.8. So it can be obtained by 2.8 diameter divided by 2. This will give me 1.4 centimeter. This is your radius. Okay. At the same time, students, now we know the circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. This is for the circle, but we want this for semicircle. To find it for the semicircle, we'll divide it this formula by 2. So I'll get the circumference of the semicircle, that is equal to pi r. Okay, so putting the values in this given formula, pi is equal to 22 upon 7 into r's value is 1.4. So this will give me 7 2s are 14, that is 0.2 into 22. This will give me 4.4. I got the circumference of the circle as well. Okay, now the total distance that ant is covering from this particular circumference and this diameter, we can find it out. Total will be equal to the diameter, that is equal to the radius, right? Just a minute. The diameter for circumference is equal to 4.4 plus 2.8. Okay, because this is given, diameter is given 2.8. So 4.4 is this particular distance from point A to point B, and the AB is the distance, that is equal to 2.8. If I add it up, I'll get the distance traveled by the ant, that is equal to 7.2 centimeter. Okay, moving on to the question number B, or for the shape B over here. Now if you look at this particular figure, this is actually a part of circle we can consider, right? So now here the diameter of the circle is given. For example, this is the center of the circle. The diameter of the circle is given to us 2.8 centimeter. So the radius will be equal to diameter divided by 2, that is equal to 2.8 divided by 2. This will give me 1.4 centimeter. And the circumference of the circle will be, we know that now the circumference of the semicircle, we are finding it out, right? So this will give me r over here. This is equal to 22 by 7 into r. What is r? 1.4. We know it is pi r. Circumference of the circle is pi r. So 22 by 7 into 1.4. This will again give me 4.4. 8.4. Okay, now the total distance traveled by the ant will be equal to 1.5, because the side of this given, for example, let us consider this to be a square or something, a shape. The side is given 1.5, so all the sides will be 1.5 only. So 1.5 plus 2.8 plus again 1.5 plus 4.4, this is the circumference of circle which we have find it out over here, right? So this will give me 10.2 centimeter. Okay, so we got the ant travel distance in the shape number B is 10.2. In case of shape number C, diameter of the circle is again 2.8. Let us consider this to be a circle where its diameter is given 2.8 centimeter. So the radius will be equal to 2.8 divided by 2, that is equal to 1.4 centimeter. And for the circumference of the semicircle, given in the question is 2 pi r. Okay, for semicircle will be divided by 2, so that is equal to pi r. Okay, once again 22 by 7 into the value of r is 1.4, this will give me 4.4. So adding up the values together of all the distance, that is 2 centimeter here, 2 centimeter plus the circumference of the circle is 4.4, so this will give me 8.4 centimeter. What is asked in the question now? We have find all the circumference or all the perimeter in which the ant is moving, right? So we have to find here, actually sometimes they'll give you in the question which one is the larger perimeter the ant is covering. Okay, so we can clearly say in the shape number B, the ant is covering the maximum what we can say perimeter, okay, or the boundary. So moving on to the next question, students, this is the question number 1 of today's class. The shape of the top of the surface of a table is a trapezium. Now the question based on trapezium. Find the area of its parallel side are 1 meter and 1.2 meter are perpendicular, distance between them is 0.8. Okay, we have to find the area and the parallel sides are given, that is 1 meter and 1.2 meter. Okay, now to solve this particular question, look here, we should know some few things over given in the figure. That is the side, for example, let us consider this to be side A. Okay, side of the trapezium A, and this to be the side of the trapezium named as B. Okay, so the shape in the case of trapezium, the side A is equal to 1 meter, B side is equal to 0. Something went wrong, no, it is second side 1.2 meter, not 0. Okay, and the height, this is the height, look here, this one is the height that is given, that is equal to 0.8. so height is equal to, the altitude is equal to 0.8. Now to solve this particular question, we need to understand the area of trapezium. What is the area of trapezium ka formula? Okay, area of the top of the surface, this is equal to top of surface, and the top of surface is nothing but it is a trapezium. So the formula for this is half into A plus B into height. Please remember, A and B are the sides and H is the height. So this will give me, by putting the values, half into, what is the value of A? 1. What is the value of B? 1.2 over here. Okay, and into 0.8. So after solving this, I'll get the value that is equal to, if I multiply 1 by 2 into 1, I'll get this value as equal to half into 2.2 into 0.8. This is equal to 0.88 meter square. So this is the formula that you have to use. I have just given this particular question to understand what is trapezium, what is the area of trapezium, and how we have find it out. Just this top of the surface given over here of the table was trapezium in shape, so we should understand the area of the trapezium. Okay, moving on to the next question, students, again based on trapezium only. The area of the trapezium is 34 centimeter square, and its length and one of its parallel side is 10 centimeter, and its height given is 4 centimeter. Okay, now here you have to find the length of the other parallel side. So to understand this question, let the length of other side, which we have to find, other side, this is equal to x, for example. Okay, and the length of other parallel side of given parallel side is equal to how much? This is equal to 10 centimeter. This is given in the question, and height is given, that is equal to 4 centimeter, and the area of the trapezium is given here, which is equal to 34 centimeter square. Now we know the area of trapezium, the formula of area of trapezium, which we have seen in the previous question, again half into A plus B into height. A and B are what? A and B are the sides, parallel sides, and H is the height. So half into, what is the value of A over here? The value of A is equal to X, and the value of the B, that is the other side, is equal to 10 into height is equal to 4, and we know the area of trapezium is equal to what here? 34 centimeter square. So based on this we can solve the whole question. That is equal to 34 is equal to 2 into, I have just simply cut it down, 2x plus 20, or you can say 2 into 10 plus x. This will give me the value of x is equal to 20 into 2x. Okay, if I take the 20 on the other side, I'll get 14. And 14 divided by, if I do by 2 over here, I'll get 7. Okay, so x, the value of x is equal to 7 centimeter. The other parallel side is 7 centimeter. Again, you have to understand the concept behind this question. They will ask you to find out the required parallel side by using the area of trapezium. Okay, the next type of question, the students, whatever the questions I am taking here, these are the ideal questions, can be asked in your paper 1 as well as paper 2. Okay, so you have to keep in mind length of the face of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 centimeter. If BC is equal to 48 meter, CD is equal to 17 meter, and AD is equal to 40 meter, find the area of the field side AB is perpendicular to the side AD and BC. Okay, we have to find the area of this field. Again, this field is our trapezium. Okay, this is trapezium, yes, right. So what is given here? Side BC is equal to 48 meter. Side CD is equal to 17 meter. Okay, other than this, what we know here, we know that the AD is equal to 40 meter, and the perimeter given here is 120 meter. Now, perimeter of trapezium, we have to use the formula of perimeter of trapezium. What is the perimeter of trapezium? We just have to add up all the sides. So perimeter of trapezium ABCD will give us AB plus BC, please look at the figure, plus CD plus DA. Now we know the perimeter is equal to 120. This will give me AB plus 48 plus 17 plus 40. The summation of this is equal to 105, right? So AB is equal to 120 minus 105, that is equal to 15 meter. That is equal to 15 meter. Okay, now we have to find now the area. Area of the trapezium is equal to what? We know now the formula very well. Half of here BC, that is base in plus base plus. Basically we are adding up these two parallel sides. Okay, we are adding up these two parallel sides, that is BC plus AD, into height is AB. Height is AB. So half of BC's value is 48 plus AD's value is 40 into AB ka value right now we have find it out. So after solving this particular we'll get the value that is equal to half of 88 into 15, right? Half of 88, it means 44. 44 into 15, this will give me 660. 660 meter square is the area of the given trapezium over here, students. Okay, so this is how we have to solve the questions of the area of trapezium. One more question, I'll take it on it. Okay, now diagonal of the quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter. Now this is based upon the quadrilateral. Okay, and the perpendicular dropped from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Here 8 meter and 13 meter respectively. Find the area of the field. Now look here, to solve this question we have to understand the area of a quadrilateral ABCD. So area of quadrilateral is nothing but, we have to actually see here, for this particular figure we have to take the area of triangle ABC and add up with the area of triangle ADC. Then only we will get the area of this whole trapezium. Are you understanding it? I have taken triangle ABC and triangle ADC. What I'll do over here is I will add up their areas together. I'll find the areas individually and add up together. I'll get what? I'll get here the whole quadrilateral area. Now to understand this, area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC will give me the area of the quadrilateral, whole quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so this is equal to, now what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle, write down the formula, half of base into height. This is the formula, half of base into height. Okay, so based upon this, in triangle ABC, half of, what is the base in triangle ABC? AC, right? That is equal to 24 and height is 13 meter. Please look into the figure properly. Okay, so base is 24 into height 13 plus half of, what is the base over here again, 24 into height is 8. Okay, after solving this I will get the values, that is equal to half of 24 into 21, that is equal to 252. So the required area of the quadrilateral is equal to the summation of the areas of the two triangle, that is equal to 252 meter square. So this is how we have solved this particular question. Okay, so I hope you have got the questions. I will give one more question. This is the question as a homework. This is the diagonal of the rhombus are given here, that is 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. You have to find the area. Now to understand this question, you know, to understand what is the area of the rhombus. Okay, so the area of rhombus is equal to half of d1 into d2. Based on this you can clearly solve this question. This is a simple question. You just have to put the values in d1 7.5, in d2 12 centimeter, and let me know the answer in the comment section. Okay, so this was the end of today's session, friends. I hope you have liked the video, and let me know the answer in the comment section. If you are liking the video, please hit the like button, and at the same time if you have any kind of suggestions or any kind of things that you want to reach up to me, you can let me know in the comment section as well. And please do subscribe to the channel if you are new to it. Thank you for joining the session. Have a great day everyone. Bye.